This book in Japanese is Ki or Life Energy, talking about healthy life and its principles. And I found a segment of it and translated into English. It says, the human body is made by itself. The idea is self-organizing process that I want to talk about. So the human body is made by itself. In my mother's body, I have been collecting what I need by myself and creating my own body. Even if you grow cucumber and eggplant seeds on the same soil, the cucumber will turn green and the eggplant will turn purple. Everyone has collected such substances that meet the direction of the requirement of the original life that becomes seeds, and they have made their own bodies themselves. The body that can be seen in this way is the result of collecting the necessary substances. I have collected quality with the invisible power that was there before that. So that's the power of the way of nature. Daisetsu Suzaki says, if you're a pine tree, you don't want to become a bamboo tree, or the vice versa. There's certain nature that is built in us, and if we make the most of it, that self-organizing power will bring out the wisdom. Instead, we may just grab the information like on the internet, because information you read may say, if you do this, this happens. It's too simplistic, but we may follow that. But at the end, you just become a ball of all the ideas, but not synthesized in a way that makes sense. Instant gratification may not work when it comes to living life well. The word that I think about this is synthesis. It's a process of putting different elements together to bring out higher value. From the dust of the universe, we are built to live, and the process continues. But we don't need to become a cucumber or anything which is beyond our DNA. It may happen, but may take lots of generations to make that process to happen. What do? Be still and let the nature's way to bring out what's needed. Mind has its limitation. We need to have the benefit of this synthesizing power, self-organizing power, so that we can make the best of our life.